This is the egret room.
Members only.
Hello.
Good, how are you?
If you wanted to talk to someone about planning an event here, a wedding event here, who do we talk to?
I can get you someone.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we're just wandering around.
Yeah, take a look how you want. There's a wedding going on.
Yeah, I thought that's what we said. Yeah, you want to walk, take a peek?
Come on, you can come with me.
Hey,
We're just
that's what I'm talking about.
there. This is our lovely, we're setting up for our lovely brunch buffet tomorrow.
Beautiful. This place is nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
What's the green fees here?
The rent fees, you'd have to talk to, it's all about the food, really.
No, green fees for
The green
the actual golf.
Oh,
Yeah, no.
I could get you a pamphlet. You want a pamphlet real quick?
Could we take one?
Yeah, that's it right there.
Okay.
Is it?
And I think I think you open it and there should be,
No, that's the wedding reception.
Yeah,
The
they
green
might
fee is
be in
really
here.
irrelevant. I can get that later.
Yeah, you can get that later.
Just curious.
Probably on the website.
So we'll just peek inside there.
Sure.
It's a cocktail area. If you wanted to do, you could do like, you could do your wedding actually in here. There's like lunch before we do the wedding. Walk down the aisle through here, and maybe set up cocktails. If whatever you want to do, we can switch it real fast too.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh, look at the view.
And everything.
Yeah.
Look at that view. That's beautiful.
Where would you have the ceremony though?
Yeah, this is the first half of the green, and then the
right.
second house is right over here.
Okay.
Excuse me, how are you? Good. They're setting up for the event right now. This is where the DJ booth would be. This is an example of the wedding style we could do.
How y'all doing? Okay.
This is nice size. Our wedding planners with
I see some here. So this probably seats about 100, right? 160.
Yeah.
They're set up for 160, baby.
This is 160?
Yeah.
It doesn't even look like that. And it's an 8 table, right?
See, that's all you need.
Oh, see, I like how they did that though.
Point right there.
Oh yeah, cocktails outside. There's a way to do the reception. As you see, we do the buffet, but we do plating as well.
Yeah. So you're saying right out here? You do the ceremony right out here on the
We
screen?
do it right out here, yeah, or you could do it wherever you want. It's your wedding, so it's up to you. We've done cocktails out here too.
Cocktail hour can be here, and then this reception will be right up in here. This is nice.
We can do a bigger dance floor than this if you want. And here,
room, too.
there's Jill right there. You want to sit there?
Sure. Oh, that's her?
I'm gonna go outside because I'm gonna escort you outside. And
Okay.
we're gonna
Yeah. Do it your way. Do it your way.
This one.
I know you're so busy right
You got a wedding going on. It's okay. Oops, sorry. Yeah, there she is. Jill Melcher. That's her?
That's
All right.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
So they walk in. They walk up.
Right now, Linda said, where are you at?